This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Ford Expedition. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 5.4-liter V8, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, power-adjustable driver pedals, a premium audio system, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, side curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, front and rear reading lights, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. The Ford Pre-Owned Certification, a 172-point inspection and reconditioning process, a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, and a 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive limited warranty, plus Ford Motor Company's 24-hour roadside assistance program. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.